Hey guys, so as promised, I'm going to try out the active track modes. So I'm here kind of on the middle of nowhere, basically. We have some trees going to the road, lots of room, no one passing by, so it should be a good place to test out the active track. And I'm going to show you what I did, because I have to keep the remote with me at all times. So basically what I did was I glued a GoPro mount here on the remote, and then I ordered this adapter from RAM Mounts. So the only thing that I do is I put this adapter here, okay, and afterwards I have here on my steering the adapter for the phone holder. So basically I just replace one over the other, you know. Let me show you. I just loosen this up, take it off, okay, and afterwards I just put this in here. That seems about right, and it's ready to go. Okay, let me put the phone in place so you guys can see how it looks. I just do this like this. The cover goes here. Okay, so as you can see, really easy. And now I'm going to get the drone up in the air for the first time, and let's see how it goes. Okay, it's up in the air. Okay, so finally I have the drone up in the air. It's recording. Here on the screen, the phone is recording also. It's tracking me. It's in 4K 30 frames. Okay, so wish me good luck. Let's see how it goes. I'm going really slowly just to test it out. Okay, so far so good. A little bit more gas.
Shut up and sit down.
He detected the trees and slowed down. And the remote is here. So far so good. Keeping steady. Go over the water. see what he does. Oh yeah, really nice. No problem at all.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright.